Click on the link below to get price. Introducing the Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine Combo, a sophisticated yet user-friendly tool designed for both sewing enthusiasts and embroidery artists. This computerized machine seamlessly integrates various sewing functions with advanced embroidery capabilities, making it an appealing choice for those looking to elevate their crafting experience. At first glance, the Bernette B79 is distinguished by its modern design and intuitive touchscreen interface. The large color display allows for easy navigation through its functions and settings, providing a clear view of your selected stitches and designs. This touchscreen layout simplifies the process of altering various parameters, such as stitch length and width, ultimately catering to users of all experience levels. Diving into its primary features, the B79 offers a wide array of over 200 built-in stitches, including utility, decorative, and quilting options. This versatility provides crafters with the ability to tackle a broad range of sewing projects. Additionally, the machine includes 208 embroidery designs, as well as multiple lettering fonts, facilitating personalized creations for garments, home decor, and gifts. One standout feature of the Bernette B79 is its combination of sewing and embroidery capabilities. Users can easily switch between modes, enabling a smooth transition from piecing fabric together to embellishing it. The machine is equipped with a generous embroidery area, allowing for larger designs without the need for constant repositioning of the fabric. This aspect is particularly beneficial for intricate projects requiring detailed work. Operating the B79 is straightforward, thanks to its built-in tutorial and helpful guide functions. New users may appreciate the comprehensive instruction manual and online resources, which provide guidance on setting up the machine, threading, and troubleshooting. The machine is also designed with an automatic needle threader and a drop-in bobbin system that simplifies the initial setup and reduces the likelihood of user error. In conclusion, the Bernette B79 Sewing and Embroidery Machine Combo stands as a versatile and user-friendly machine suitable for a wide range of sewing and embroidery projects. Its thoughtful design, extensive features, and ease of use make it a noteworthy option for anyone looking to explore their creativity in stitching and embroidery. Whether you are a novice or an experienced crafter, the B79 offers a blend of functionality and innovation that can enhance your sewing experience.